Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with Xiaomi 13 Lite. To do this, let's open our settings right here, and we'll want to find the additional settings, select gesture shortcuts, and now let's enable all of the screenshot options we have. Then go back to the settings, as that's the easiest app to get a long screen. And then now make the combination of a power key and volume down key to make a screenshot. Then select scroll. It should begin scrolling down the entire page. When it's done to the bottom, we can save a full page screenshot. Now, the options that we enabled work like this. So we have a slide down 3 fingers to make a screenshot. And it also has a scroll option. And the last one is hold 3 fingers to make a partial screenshot, but that way we won't be able to make a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.